What's up, everybody? Do you have a dog that goes through fences like nobody's business? Do you want to find out what we do to try to fix ours? If so, this video is perfect for you. Alright, welcome to Silly Beagle Dog. I am Nick, that is Jack, and today we're going to be showing you exactly how we have tried to fix our fence multiple times and what we have come to now to try to get it right. We'll see. If you find this video helpful or you just like our content and silliness, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe as well, because we have a ton of videos coming out pretty soon. And we're pretty curious to see how everyone fixes their fence or tries to get their dog to stop chewing on the fence or what have you, because Jack has gone through this fence so many times that I have actually lost count. Now, last year, I thought it would have been a good idea to put up galvanized chicken wire on the fence. And you have seen the videos of what it looks like, and it looks terrible. It's so ugly, and it doesn't even stop Jack. He can chew right through it. So I have actually re-stapled it several times, and we just decided to pull it off and replace it with something a lot thicker and stronger. Hopefully it works. I don't know. We'll try anything at this point. So again, like I said, if you have any suggestions on what to do, make sure you do comment down below. Jack, what's up, buddy? Jack, see what you make us do? So here's the new wire that we're going to be putting on. And here is everything that we need to do it. We have staples, staple gun, extension cord, pliers / wire cutters, gloves, and me. All right, so we're kind of at the halfway point. Right now we have all the galvanized chicken wire taken off that we had put on last year. We're just pulling all the staples out before we put the new wire on. And we also weed whacked everything because it looked pretty bad too. Oh, hey Jack. I'm glad one of us is having a good time out here. Hey, look at me. Okay, this is what we have so far. So we're basically just unrolling and stapling as we go. There's all the old stuff. There's Jack. Jack, are you happy that we have to do this for you, buddy? Yeah, that's what I thought. So here is the fence as we go. Clearly, I underestimated the length that we needed. I only got 50 feet, and that's the end of the roll. And we still have to go and do the other side. So we'll probably have to go next weekend because it's hot and we're all tired. So here we go. So now we're done. Fence is in. Like I said, we only had enough wire to do this one side, so we're gonna have to do the other side next week. But we will find out if it's strong enough to keep Jack in and not tear it up, because if he can get through, this was all for nothing, and we have to tear it all off and get even thicker wire. What do you think, Jack? Can you get through? Are you even gonna try? What do you think about that? Oh, did you give up already, Jack? Did you give up already? So you're telling me that it's working. Good.